I will be explaining inverse operations to you. Our first problem will be y plus 8 equals negative 3. It's important for you to know that you can do it either way around. So it could also be negative 3 equals y plus 8. First, look at the equal sign and see where the variable is. It's over on the left side, and the number we will have to get rid of is 8 to have this y be alone. The opposite of addition is subtraction, so we will do negative 8 and negative 8. I did it twice because whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do the other side. Draw your line. Cancel out these 8s because these are not needed anymore. The last thing you have to do is negative 3 minus negative 8. Bring down your y and your equal sign, and your answer should be negative 11. Now, in order to check your answer, what you will do is you will do the original equation, which was y plus 8 equals negative 3, and then put your answer in there. So minus negative 11 plus 8 equals negative 3. Now, what you will need to do is see if 11 and 8 combine to make 3, negative 3. And they do. So, negative 3 equals negative 3. And that answer is correct. Now, the next one we will be doing is a subtraction problem. The problem is minus 6 equals negative 1. Now, look at the equal sign. You can see the variable is h, and the number we will have to get rid of is 6 to get this h alone. So, the opposite of subtraction is addition, so we will do plus 6 to both sides, because whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other. Draw your line. Cancel out the 6's because they are needed. Now, what you will do is negative 1 plus positive 6. Your answer should be 5. So you bring down your h and your equal sign and put 5. Now, to check your answer, you put the original problem, which was h minus 6 equals negative 1. Then put your answer in. So 5 minus 6 equals negative 1. See if the 5 and the 6 combine together, get 1, and they do. So negative 1 equals negative 1. And that answer is correct. Now this last problem is a little trickier. I wanted to make sure we could use one that has the equal sign before the variable, because the negative sign before the variable, because it's kind of trickier to do. So we do 5 negative z, which is the variable, and then 2 negative 2 equals negative 3. Okay, so first thing we do is look at the equal sign. The variable is z. So we know the number is 5 that we're going to take out. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. So we do plus 5 and plus 5. Draw your line. You still cancel out the two 5s and do this part here, which is negative 3 minus negative 5. Positive 5, which will give you 8. Now, when you have the negative sign on the variable, if you have a negative sign on both, you can cancel them out. So that's plus, those are plus signs. And now what you do to check your answer would be, if the problem was z equals 8, you would do negative z equals 8. So if that's there, you move the negative sign here in this place, which will give you negative 8. So this answer is correct.